Hi, today I'm for the OnePlus 11 and I'll show you how to customize always on display option on this device. Let's just first unlock the device and open the settings app. After that, click to wallpapers and styles, tap to always on display. Here we can turn on and turn off always on display option. In more display settings we can change display options from all day to set the shadow start and the end time, or just in power saving mode. If you wanna use the another information just on the AD, so you should just use this icons, the switches, so just we can show time, date, battery and notifications. Let's go back. Also we can turn on and turn off the new notifications to show them on AOD. Also we can personalize our lock screen just by use the another for example the custom patterns, where you can just paint it by yourself to change the colors, the shapes of the pattern. Then just you can use, if you want the random one, let's just tap to OK. We can change the color of our text, of the date and time. After that, just to set it, just tap to apply. Let's just lock the device and we can see that we just successfully use our custom pattern. If you want to use the another terms like the clocks, the digital analog, text clock, the just home, the the different animations, let's use for example this one. Also we can change by the same way the color of the text. Just to change it we should use the location to allow location permissions. Done. So let's just lock the device and we can see that we just successfully changed our always on display option. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.